Don Toliver looking exactly like Dr. Nefario is a meme made possible through the never-ending Despicable Me nostalgia. It all started thanks to a video of Don Toliver's set at Rolling Loud, released on the 18th of March, and at around 32 minutes in, now handily timestamped by fans of the meme, you can see a close-up shot of him singing Too Many Nights while still a little hunched over with that classic jawline. Then, on the 28th of April, Tyler1 made the comparison between this close-up shot of Don and Dr. Nefario, forever sealing the deal between the two as unfortunate lookalikes. Their incredible shared jawline has since been made into a certifiable trend, as the masses of artists and meme creators on the internet have gotten extremely busy making sure Don Toliver knows exactly who he looks like. It's definitely a mix between facial features, glasses and gloves that really hammers the point home. And of course, the fact that he is partnered with Kali Uchis has not been left unexplored by these edits. People cannot believe that someone who looks like Dr. Nefario would be with such a desirable pop star, and so are pretending to be him with big chin filters and tiny sunglasses. And of course, artists have taken the lyrics from Too Many Nights and turned them into misheard masterpieces, with I Came to Goon and A Peanut Butter House being absolute standouts. However, at the end of the day, whilst Don Toliver is a mega popular hip-hop star, it could be argued Despicable Me is the driving force that made these memes pop off in the first place. All the foundations for this trend to go nuts have been laid like giant slabs of stone, as memes surrounding the children's films have long been huge online. Time and time again, minions and goofy bits from Despicable Me have maintained a strong presence in digital culture, as the animations have kept a stranglehold on ironic posting for years. It's worth noting that Despicable Me 4 is releasing in June this year, which makes for an animated franchise that has entertained children since 2010. That's 14 years of films, which is more than enough to generate generations of fans. As such, it makes sense for Don Toliver to be consistently compared to Dr. Nefario to be blowing up only a short time before a new release comes around, as there is no doubt an increase in general internet traffic referencing Despicable Me exists at this time. In short, Don Toliver being compared to Dr. Nefario during his rendition of Too Many Nights at Rolling Loud may at first seem like a random meme to jump out of the internet, but upon closer inspection of the elements at play, it would seem the imminent release of a Despicable Me film may be one of the driving forces of this trend. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.